We're here. How long was the drive? 4 hours from Las Vegas to Hollywood. I'm so tired. You have to take the flight back. What I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be strapping you guys to my chest as we go on all the rides. This is what you're gonna be seeing when I'm on the ride. Nice first person view, right? Yay! We're here! Get ready for some fun rides!对啊，你帽子就不能戴了。
眼镜也不能戴。
眼镜好像不能戴，会飞。哇，竟然这么黑，我都忘记它这么黑了。
Mine did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way. We'll meet you outside. Sorry about that. Woohoo! Those fences can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! You haven't seen a dragon, have you?
Right. Woo! It's the Quidditch pitch. Look out!
Yay! Whee! Oh look, it's a hippogriff. Hi.
Oh,
很快的这个。It's only 30 seconds. Oh look, it's a nice view. Yeah, 这个是小朋友在玩的，这还好。Yay!
Oh, that's it.
That's it, 30 seconds.
Oh my god. That's so fun.
Oh, I didn't go in here last time. Let's do it. Oh, look. Chocolate frogs. Do you want a chocolate frog? What you got there, baby?
捧杯，你干嘛？你手不爽。
Put it back. You want to buy one, hun? Sophie, they even sell the brooms. Look, they sell the firebolt. It's $300 though. Yeah?
有一些这
Oh
种，
look, Deathly Hallows Charm. Dobby! Dobby!
还有这种很小杯。
Yeah. You even got the Hogwarts Express.
好看点。 哇，很贵的。
Exactly. That's $75 for the collectible ones. For display only. Oh look! It's a boat truckle! Oh look! They even got spiders. Sophie! Sophie! And there's a guy sitting on the side like, whatever, bro.
Look like ketchup. Probably didn't know we had live animals at the park. You can see she is baring her teeth. She's getting excited. She's a meat eater, carnivore. Now mostly she eats mice, 350 pounds of it every single day. Not you. Not you, just mice. Fingers crossed.
Hey! What's your name?
Welcome. Happy birthday! Is it your birthday or are you just celebrating? Mine is on Saturday, so it's around this week.
So, and we brought our butterbeer on board, and they got theme park water in our butterbeer, so we couldn't finish it. We got King Kong and T-Rex spit in our butterbeer. Good Life of Pets, Despicable Me. Let's do this one. What will he do next? 他比较贱哦。
I hope you thoroughly enjoyed my pre-recorded message. Let's see how well you take direction.